Welcome to Gadgets and Auto. So let's start. Apple's HomePod was launched in India at rupees 32,990 sold via apple.com. Fireboltt Cobra was launched in India at rupees 3,799 sold via Flipkart. It's having 1.78-inch AMOLED display, Bluetooth display with 123 sports modes. Infinix Note 12i was launched in India at rupees 9,999 for 4GB RAM plus 64GB version sold via Flipkart. The phone is having 6.78-inch FHD plus super bright AMOLED screen powered by MediaTek Helio G85 processor, 50MP triple rear camera and packs 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Buds VS102 Pro was launched in India at rupees 1,799. Its active noise cancellation, Bluetooth version 5.3 and voice assistant. BMW iX was launched in India at rupees 1.18 crore. Xoom was launched in India at rupees 75,000 ex-showroom Kerala. Hyundai installs 2 DC ultra fast charging stations, that is Narketpalle and Kurukshethra. Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder CNG was launched in India at rupees 13.23 lakh ex-showroom Kerala. Toyota Innova Crysta 2023 model was launched in India. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, share and subscribe.